Right then, as promised on the Facebook page yesterday, in the kitchen with Pen, we made an order of something that I enjoy immensely, and we came across this place and I thought I'd order it, and we'll do an unboxing, and at some point we'll do a taste test. So it got delivered by DPD, next day delivery, which was a bit of a shock because we didn't think we'd ordered them until next Wednesday. So Pen's now got to find some room in the freezer.
Freezer Jenga again.
So here we go, let's do this unboxing. Let's try and do it safely.
Do you know what I like before you do anything else? The fact that it says must be delivered today, because it's food items. So that's really good.
So,
oh,
polystyrene, it's in a polystyrene box. So, certainly can't argue with the packaging. It says, I don't like to argue with anything anywhere.
empty room?
Only if you use it here.
Well, it wouldn't be empty.
Right, there you go, look. Ice blocks.
Oh, plenty of those.
They're frozen, so we didn't know, which is okay. And they're not cooked, by the way.
Even better.
They're uncooked.
Oh my good God.
So let's take this bag out and get a shot of this.
There's more of the ice packs on the bottom of the box too. That was me dropping that on the floor.
Now somewhere it says that it should come with cooking instructions.
Okay, well,
but you can go online and right, there they are. What we ordered was 8 jumbo Cornish pasties.
That's a jumbo.
And 4 sausage rolls, and it was $29.65 for this lot. Now it sounds a lot of money, but we was trying to remember the last time we was in Cornwall. I'm sure we paid something like £5 for a jumbo Cornish pasty. So obviously they need cooking, which is going to cost money. But for me, I think that's not bad, actually. It sounds a lot, but when you think about it, if we'd have been in Cornwall, it would have been 5, 10, 15,
40 quid
20,
for the
25,
pasties.
30, 35, 40 quid's worth of pasties.
Plus a couple of quid for each sausage roll.
Absolutely.
So almost £50 worth there.
So the place that we got them from is the Proper Pasty Shop online. I will put a link in the description. And obviously the big test is in how they cook and taste. So we'll get on with that. We'll find somewhere to put these, and later on today, because obviously I know what I'm having for dinner, we'll try them.
8 pasties.
So thank you for joining me on this unboxing. It wasn't spectacular, I know, but you know, it's a box of pasties. So I'll catch up with you later, and in the meantime, keep cooking.
Right, hang on.
Right, it's supposed to be instructions, but I know.
If you like what we're doing, don't forget to give us a like. If you'd like to subscribe, click on our picture here. If you want to see more videos of what we get up to, click here. Thanks for watching. Bye.